welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for March of 2022, I think it's March. Bag looks like this anyway. So power moves on it, and I think you can actually stick your hand through it. Power. Yeah, you're probably not supposed to do that. It's probably gonna rip off at some point in time. A couple items too big to fit in there. Do I have a little card for it? I do. Okay. Yeah, it's from March. Okay. So, power moves. Who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss. Whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing. Let's see here. It's one of these months. Okay, dynamic skincare duos. Ingredients that just work better together. Antioxidants and SPF. Free radical fighting antioxidants help neutralize rays that might slip through your sunscreen. Retinol and peptides. Top your retinol with skin-firming peptides. They'll penetrate deeper and minimize irritation. Vitamin C and ferulic acid. This classic brightener becomes more stable and effective when paired with its ferulic BFF. Salicylic and hyaluronic acid. Targeting zits can zap moisture, so give it a hydrating hyaluronic boost to nix dry patches. Ceramides and squalane. Nourish and strengthen your skin's barrier, then lock it all down with a layer of squalane. Okay, well, no help there. So we have got... Oh, son of a bitch. From Refreshments, we have the Luscious Hand Creaming Coconut Colada. Cool. Awesome. Love that for me. Guess I'll be giving that to my mom. So, there's also from It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Ooh. Okay. Lash Changing Power Brush wraps every lash from base to tips for a super volume, super length, super elastic stretch. Are eyelashes supposed to be stretchy? I don't think they're supposed to be stretchy, but okay. But, I mean, if it works like that, I'll use the stretchy mascara, whatever. That looks pretty badass, I gotta admit. So, let me just close that back up for now. And then in the bag, we've got, oh, this is tiny. Itty Bitty First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream. I think I got another one of these from them, didn't I? Was it the same size or was it big? I feel like it was the same size. But with eye cream, you only need like a teeny tiny little dot anyway, so that's fine. Then we have, what is this? Ooh, I like the mandala on it. From Farah, we have the Pressed Pigments Duo in Forget Me Not and Nectar. But look how pretty. Okay, let's see what colors these are. Oh, I like those actually. Oh, those are cute together. Look at them. They have a nice, like, gold reflect in them. Alright. You wear them alone or together. They'd work either way. Okay, I like that. And last thing in this one is from the Creme Shop, and it's the Jelly Milk Double Cleanser. Daily cleanser and makeup remover for all skin types. Made with green tea, rice enzyme, and white water lily. And I think this was my choice item in this bag, so alright. So, at least that's cool. That's cool, this is cool. Mascara's cool. 1, 2, 3. I guess the eye cream's cool. Dud. So let's see what's in the other bag. We've got... I swear, if this is what I think... Really, Ipsy, why are you trying to kill me so bad? Fuck. Guess I have two of it to give away. God. Why? Why do you hate me so? Oh, damn it. I've been a loyal customer for how many years? This is how you repay me. Ah. Anyway, let's see. Does this one have info? It does not. Alright, well, cool. Awesome. Love that. So from Context Beauty, we have their matte lipstick in Love Gun. Oh boy, let's see what color this is. That ought to be good. Come on. Come on, mofo, get out of there. love gun. This is not the color I was expecting, but alright. I guess that's okay. Whatever. Okay. We've also got another dupe of the eye cream. Cool. All about the dupes this month. Awesome. Awesome. From Shayna B. Miami, we have a pressed pigment duo in Vino and Bay Harbor. Okay. That browner shade looks very similar to the brown in the other one, but okay, whatever, it's cool, it's cool. And then finally, last item, by Sand and Sky, Australian Emu Apple. I'm sorry, that just makes me think road apple, which makes me think horse poop, so that's not exactly attractive. Super bounce mask. Not helping with the mental image, oh god. Alright, the worst part, I think that was my choice item for this bag. Well, we barreled through those quickly since there was no info on them, and there's a lot of dupes, so I guess that's it for this video. Anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, until next time, see ya.